Some people ask about whether I do dentures, full dentures, upper or lower, and yes, I do. What's nice is that I also offer implant-supported full dentures, because some people have so little ridge that you can't get a stable denture on there that'll sit placed, and it makes it seem like you just got teeth that are in place. And many times with a denture, we can snap it in and it stays in place, and you can snap it out and clean it and take care of the implants and the denture. So it's a very, very convenient way to do it. Sometimes if your denture is well made and I can put implants to stabilize it, and without having to make another denture. But many times the bite is one of the big factors that make it impossible to do that and make successful dentures. So if you're interested in dentures, we have many solutions possible, and I make them comfortable because I call myself a bite guy. So if you have a bite and you're playing around with that denture, most of the time the bite is way off, and I make dentures that put it right on target. Please call the office and we'll make an appointment and consultation and see what you need. Thank you.